So as a project manager in architecture, engineering, and construction, you can quickly see how powerful 3D site virtual models are for as-builting actual site conditions and progress on site. So as you can see, we can easily navigate through the building that is currently being constructed, and on the bottom toolbar you can flip to different timelines or time lapse of the project, and you can label them specifically. So the one we're looking at now is the electrical installations. So before drywall, boarding, or plaster goes up, we will be able to refer back to the condition of the site when electrical was being installed, and we can actually click on the little measuring stick at the bottom of the toolbar and actually measure conditions on site within a % or 2 of accuracy. So now we've flipped over to the floor prep for hydronic flooring, the in-floor heating. As you can see, some of the piping is being prepped. And then we flip over, we can flip through all the timelines. Now we're over to in-floor heating. So you can see the condition of the site, the loops. We can actually measure the distances of where those in-floor pipes are in case we had to drill a hole later on in construction. We could avoid hitting those pipes. So huge advantage there is not only photogrammetry of what the site visually looked like at that date, also the ability to measure in real time in that model. So now we flipped over to handover and installation changes, and you can see the model of this house is nearing finishing. So we can see a condition and the date that was completed. So as a project manager of a project, I can have my field staff complete a scan of a project even though I'm halfway around the world in another country. I can still accurately manage this project when I have them complete a 3D scan. So we go through this in detail at our website incrowd10x.com/projects, and we will show you how quickly and easily it is to capture this site information. All these white dots you see on the floor, every time we click in a different location, that is a setup or a scan location from a camera. So like I mentioned, take control of your project, learn how to use 3D virtual site models, and we'll see you on the project.